Breaking news for transportation enthusiasts. The bike path has been repaired. In 2023, the bike path was destroyed by an ocean storm where it goes around that restroom that you see over in the distance right there. The path used to go around the front of it, and then the waves took it out in violent fashion. And since 2023, we haven't had a bike path there if you've had to get on that little frontage road on the right that you can see some people still riding on in this video. And this is what it looked like when the waves took away the bike path. So it just got completely swallowed up and it was gone. So now you've got smooth pavement once again, brand new shiny concrete. And if you ride the path, you can see here you're higher up on the beach. And the path goes to the right of the bathroom up high, and it used to go down to the left there where you can see that path that goes to the bathroom. So now we're up high on the dry ground and probably safe forever from the waves, up similar altitude to that frontage road. And if we get up high in the air, you can see how it works there. Just kind of looping around the top side of that bathroom and picnic break area. But previously it went around the back side there where the ocean is. And that was a bad design, clearly, especially when the waves got big. They didn't get big very often, but they got big once, and that was enough to take it out. So now, get out of my video, bird. I'm trying to make a serious documentary here. And here's a look as we head north from those bathrooms up towards Marina del Rey there in the distance. You can see the breakwater up there in the ocean as we head towards Playa del Rey, Marina del Rey on this bike path. So now it's back the way it was up here. They just had to kind of brush the sand off of it. It had gotten covered with sand, but it drops you back off here where the old detour would have had you join, and then you're back up there. And then if we take a look at the actual facility here, I'm standing kind of behind the restrooms looking at the beach here. It's a nice place to have a picnic. There's picnic tables, bathrooms, and you can even go for a jog if you feel the urge. And there is some good surfing out there as well. And it's just a nice little spot again. There's a lifeguard on duty as well. So you've got coverage from the lifeguards. You've got sun, surf, sand, bathrooms, picnic tables, water, and showers there. And there's even some surfers out in the water trying to catch the biggest wave. And having limited success on this medium wave size day. Watch out for that pointy metal thing there, buddy. Not sure what that is. Maybe used to fuel the oil tankers. But anyway, the bike path is back and better than ever.